Hello my dear students, welcome to my class. I'll be taking science subject of class 3 and we will start lesson number 3, plants, parts and functions. So let's do an introduction of this lesson. You all know that plants are very important for us. They give us many useful things like food, wood, medicines, paper, etc. Most of the food that we eat comes from plants like vegetables, fruits, cereals, pulses, etc. And in second standard you have also studied that plants, they give out oxygen, and you all know oxygen is required by us to breathe in. When you go around or when you go from one place to another or you go to a garden, you see so many plants around you. Some plants are very big, some are small and some are very short. So we see a variety of plants around us. And in this lesson, as the name says, parts and their functions, we are going to study about the different parts of a plant. Now, as you all know, in a human body, means in our body, we have got different parts and each part performs a specific function. Like eyes helps us to see, ears, they help us to hear, nose help us to smell, hands, we use them to do work, legs, we use them to walk. Similarly, in plants also, there are different parts and each part has a specific function. So now let us study about the different parts of a plant. A plant is divided into two parts. The part of the plant which is under the ground is called the root system. The part of the plant which we can see as it is above the ground is called the shoot system. So the two parts of the plant are the root system and the shoot system. The root system consists of roots of different types. The shoot system includes the stem, leaves, flowers, buds, fruits and seeds. Seeds are present inside the fruits. So we learned that roots, stem, leaves, buds, flowers, fruits and seeds are the different parts of a plant. Now we will study about the root system. Roots cannot be seen by us as they are present under the soil. They grow in downwards direction. Roots are of two types, tap roots and fibrous roots. Let us study about both these roots one by one. First, we will study about taproot. In a taproot, one main root grows straight downwards from the base of the stem. This main root is also called primary root. Many smaller roots grow from the sides of this main root. This type of root is found in groundnut plant, bean plant, mustard plant, mango plant, etc. Now we will study about fibrous roots. In some plants, many roots grow downwards from the end of the stem. There is no main root. Instead, many roots grow together. These roots are called fibrous roots. These roots are found in grass, maize, onion, etc. Let us now discuss the differences between taproot, and fibrous roots. Taproot, first point. One main root grows downwards from the end of the stem. Fibrous roots. Many roots grow downwards from the end of the stem. Point number 2, taproot. It goes deep into the soil. Fibrous roots. These roots do not go very deep in the soil. So these are the differences between taproot and fibrous roots. Now we will study about the various functions of roots. Roots perform the following functions in a plant. Number 1, roots fix the plant firmly in the soil. That is why plants are not blown away by fast moving wind and are also not washed away by rainfall, as they are fixed to the soil by roots. Point number 2, roots absorb water and mineral salts from the soil. This water and mineral salts are then sent to the shoot system. Water is required by the plant to make food. Point number 3, some plants store extra food made by them in their roots. For example, carrot plant, radish plant and turnip plant are plants that store extra food in their roots. You all know that carrot, radish and turnip grow under the ground. So when you eat these vegetables, you are actually eating the roots. So let us discuss the functions of the roots quickly. Let's do a recap. Roots fix the plant firmly in the soil. Roots absorb water and mineral salts from the soil. Some plants store extra food in the roots. So my dear students, in this class, you learned about parts of plants, types of roots, taproot and fibrous root, and the functions of root. I would like to show you a live example of taproot and fibrous root. Just have a look at this plant. And can you all see this root of this plant? See, this is example of taproot. This is one main root, and if you see here, many side roots are coming out of this main root. So this is an example of taproot. I will show you one more plant. See this and see the root. See the side roots. This is the main root and these are the side roots. So this is the example of taproot. Now I will show you another plant. See this plant and see the roots of these plants. So many roots are coming out from the end of the stem. Can you see these roots? So this is an example of fibrous root. I hope, dear students, this much part is clear to all of you. Now from your book, you read this much part, and the rest of the part we are going to deal in the next class. Thank you.